Hey guys, you are watching Aapka Solution. Today I will show you what is Tesco groceries applications and how can you use these applications. So first of all, if you want to use these applications, you have to download this application. So first of all, go on Play Store and search Tesco groceries. Okay, I search Tesco groceries. You can see I search. I think my spelling is mismatch and mistakes, so I have to search right. So after your search you can see here is applications, and in applications 50 lakh plus downloads, and rating is not showing here. So you have to download. First of all, you have to download. After that you can use these applications. So I have already downloaded, so I click on open button. You can see after open these applications it is interface. If you don't have any account in this application, so you will click on register icon. Here is register icon, you have to click on. Okay, I am clicking on register icon, and you can see this is interface. After that, first of all, you have to give your email address and you have to set a password. You can see here, and here is some information join. You can see, and this is some information you have to fill it. But in these applications, what can you do? You can see in these applications you can shop. You can shop lots of things, like you can see kitchen roll too. Yes, Nutra chocolates and etc. Dogs food. You can see here is some products you can shopping by these applications. And here is in the bottom you can see some options like home, favorite, search, and club card, etc. So if I click on club card, you can see it is option sign in and join today. Second option is basket. If I click on basket option, so you can see it is a option. So guys, in these applications what can you do and how do you use this application? So in these applications you can shopping more things like groceries, and applications name is, you can see applications name in tesco groceries. That means in these applications you can shopping and you can shop groceries and many more. You can see. So guys, in current time I don't have any uk sim, so I can't register right now. But after some time you can see, but it may be I can register. But you can see here is a mobile number options, but in this time I don't have any uk sim, so I can't register right now. But after some time when I will get a uk sim, then I mean it maybe I can use this application. So all over in these applications you can shop groceries and shop and chocolates, etc. You can see here, and it is a basket option. It is a shopping application, so you can shop. I hope guys you are enjoying this video. I will meet in next video. Bye bye, take care.